Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before you begin, gather a Torx T20 5mm hex and a plastic pry tool. Disconnect the battery negative and wait for 10 minutes to avoid electrical faults. Park on a flat surface and apply the parking brake firmly for safety. Wear gloves and eye protection while you work on interior trim pieces and small fasteners. Keep a clean tray for 3 small parts and 1 spring to avoid losing components during the procedure. Start by prying the rear trim panel up with a plastic tool and lift evenly to expose the knob base. Locate and depress the shifter button while you hold the selector shaft firmly with your other hand. Pull the knob straight up with steady force until it clears the shaft, roughly 20 centimeters of travel in most cars. Inspect beneath for a small spring, 1 retaining clip, and 3 fasteners, and place them in your parts tray. To install, align the knob notch with the shaft key and seat it squarely on the selector spline. Press the knob down firmly until you hear an audible click indicating the retaining clip engaged correctly. If your knob uses a clamp screw, tighten it to approximately 1.5 Nm for secure fitment without damage. Refit the rear trim panel and reconnect the battery negative. Verify correct operation by shifting through park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Then perform a short drive test to confirm function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.